If you haven't started using Canva yet, I strongly suggest you do so because it just has so many templates built right into it that you don't have to just do anything but just jump in there and put your photo and put the text what you want to say and it's ready to go. And for example, I'm going to give you we were just talking about the YouTube banner sizes. Canva actually has a page built right into their site that shows the thumbnail size it needs to be, the banner size, video if it's going to be 4K, whatever. And then here's the different sizes for the banners for the desktop, the tablet, and the mobile, and even banner and TV display. So you want to be sure that you have all those in place. Your profile picture even has a size on it and a size it can exceed also, and what format it needs to be in. And what makes it good about Canva is you can just jump in here and it's free. Now, guys, this is a free tool, and you can get in here and find templates just made for YouTube thumbnails or banners just for YouTube. The size will already be correct, everything will be just like you need it to be. All you'll do is change maybe the color or maybe some of the images that's on the banner and then put your text and things in there and it's done. So I would check on Canva, guys. That's going to help you out a lot. That's a little secret I wanted to throw at you right now. And you can even edit your videos in here if you want to go that far with it. So check it out. I think it'll be helpful for you.